foods that help reduce the risk of heart disease. Welcome to Best Life, the channel that provides the best tips for healthy living. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 foods that can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but by incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take steps towards improving your heart health. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for optimal heart health. Number 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. These fruits also contain fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast or snack on them throughout the day for a heart-healthy boost. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Studies have shown that incorporating nuts into your diet can reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. Snack on a handful of nuts or sprinkle them on salads and yogurt for a heart-healthy treat. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health. These greens are also high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate leafy greens into your meals by adding them to salads, smoothies, and stir-fries. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. Studies have shown that consuming whole grains can lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and lowering blood pressure. Swap out refined grains for whole grains in your meals to reap the heart-healthy benefits. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. They are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall heart health. Add slices of avocado to sandwiches, salads, and wraps for a delicious and heart-healthy boost. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that can improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and protect the heart from damage. Use olive oil as a dressing for salads, a dip for bread, or a cooking oil for heart-healthy meals. 8. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to improve heart health. Garlic contains compounds that can lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent blood clots, all of which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Add fresh garlic to your meals or take garlic supplements to support heart health. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, antioxidants that can improve heart health by reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and lowering blood pressure. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content to reap the heart-healthy benefits without the added sugar and fat found in milk chocolate. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a heart-healthy treat. 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving blood vessel function. Studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can lower the risk of heart disease. Enjoy a cup of green tea as a refreshing and heart-healthy beverage. Conclusion. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart health. Remember to also maintain a healthy lifestyle by staying active, managing stress, and avoiding smoking to further support your heart health. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Best Life for more tips on living your best, healthiest life.